guys, welcome to Zaitun Tats Plus channel on YouTube. Today we are in the third lesson of WordPress. In this lesson we will learn how to add page and how to add post. We open our XAMPP for using WordPress. We should start Apache and MySQL. Now we are in the dashboard of WordPress. Now we come to pages, all pages. Then I want to visit my website, and here I want to change this is my first page that I have, and here I have only sample page and privacy policy page. Now I want to add another page in here. I click on add new. Now I come to lipsum.com. Guys, if you see that we can edit like this, it's because I have installed a plugin, classic editor. In new editor, it's I'm not formal with the new version, but this one is better than before. Now I come to lipsum.com and generate 10 paragraphs. I copy this, then I paste it in here. In here, the title, home. Then I publish it, or I can save it as a draft. It will not be published, but any time that I want to publish it, it will be available. Now I come to tools, setting, reading. Now if I refresh my page, my title has changed, but in here I want to home page is the latest post, but I want a static page and home page should be home. Now I click on save changes. I close this. If I refresh it, I will see what I have. Now in here I want to add some styles for my page. First one, for home lorem ipsum, I want to make it bold. Then I want to add a picture in here, add media. Then I select from my photos from here. I choose this one. Now before using CSS, we were changing in the style by using CSS with a lot of codes, but in WordPress it's so easy to change the size of a picture or change the alignment, all attributes that we can so easy. I want to align it in the center. Then I want to change the size only by drag and drop. Now I make it in this size. then in here I want to link my website. Now I click on update. If I refresh my page, I will see I have added a picture and I have added a link to my website. It's my website. Then I come back and I make this. I want to change it and I make it open a new tab. I click on update and update it. Now I refresh this. If I click on this, it will be opened in new tab. I want to change the dollar color from here. I simply click on text color like green. This one is a good color for us. Then I want to make this in here. Now that's what we have. I want to cut this picture and want to add it at the first. And here if I copy this, now we have text and our picture in one line. This one should be in the center. It's better to be in the center. Now I update it. I see that I have got this style. We have learned about how to add a page. If you have any question, simply comment it below this post, and I will answer every questions. Then I go to posts. And here we have only hello world. I want to add a new post. And here demo 1. I copy only one. No. I paste them in here. I add a image in here. Now I publish it. I can see it like this. All is the same with the pages, but we have something different in here. I have categories. Before in pages I didn't have categories because I didn't have any category. It's in uncategorized. Now I want to add another category. Tags. Then I add new category. I choose tags. Then I can add tags if someone Google anything and I have it in my blog. If I add tags, it will help me to get a good search engine optimization. I have added WordPress and Google. Now I want to add a featured image. this one as a featured image. Now I update it. I see that I got the featured image in here and the others in here. Now I can manage my posts from here. Now another options that we can have. I come to appearance. My latest blog posts. Now if I refresh my page, I will get my post in here. Why I did it? Because I want to teach another tricks that we can do with WordPress. In here I want to make in here I want to add read more. Now if I add this, simply I have all my page, all my weblog posts in here, but I did it because if I refresh it, now I have continue reading. It's because most of the people want to make it read more. Sometimes we want the followers, the subscribers, the viewers that want to visit our website. We want to make it to continue reading because we have many posts. It's only one hello world, and this one we have in here. We want to add more. For adding more, we want to make it like this. It's better for visitors of our website. We will get more views, and it's so good to have this option. And we see in news agencies that do like this. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Have a nice day.